back to my channel. This is Shamli. Hope you all are doing well. I am too. So today's video is about Myntra Jewelry Haul. But very first thing, I want to show you guys my top. So just look at this. It's so beautiful. I have purchased it from an Instagram online store named Cinderella's Closet. So link I'll give in description box. And this is super amazing. Their products are imported and they ordered from maybe US or China something. So maybe this is China product. So yes, this is super amazing. It's lovely. Just see its colors, lovely, its designs. And also these earrings I have purchased from Urbanic. So my last video was about Urbanic haul, so you can go and check out my Urbanic haul video to check all the details about Urbanic, like how was my experience, it was good or bad, their return policies, reviews, some products I received right, some wrong, each and everything I have mentioned in that video. So you can go and check it out. And one important note here, that in my Urbanic hauls, like lot of people were commenting out there like, I have not sent you this gift coupon as a sorry coupon something. So they sent this with each and every order. And yes, some people were also commented out there that yes, I also received a wrong product. So what I have observed from your comments and from my experience, maybe they sent this coupon code only with the prepaid orders, because I mostly do COD orders, and the benefit in the COD is whatever you are gonna purchase now. Suppose if some product is not available, so whatever your contact associated with your account, maybe it's a mobile number or it's your email ID, they will send you a notification that this product is not available. So apart from this product, we will send you all the remaining products as part of your order. But this product we will not be able to deliver you because we don't have available in our stock. So this is the benefit of COD orders. So what I observed, only prepaid orders maybe they send with this. So and yes, on prepaid orders they offer some 99 rupees off on whole order. But what is the benefit of that? Because if some product is not available now, then they send some wrong product. That what happened with me. So I got confused with that that they have sent this sorry coupon code and something like that. So always go with COD orders. Don't go with prepaid orders. So no worries about that. And each and every other remaining things you can go and check it out in my video, in my Urbanic haul video. So yeah, that's it about that. So hope you guys got conclude that maybe they send this coupon code only with the prepaid orders. So but you should go with the COD orders instead of prepaid orders. Because what my perception is, what is the use of getting wrong product? Like you are wasting your money like that. Instead of getting wrong product, it's better you don't receive that product and you are not spending money also. So okay, finally conclusion is done with the. So let's start with our today's video. So this is my jewelry collection from Myntra. I'll show you one by one each and every product. So our very first product is from Modblaze. So you can see this came inside this Modblaze box. So every Modblaze product will come inside this box only, and they will send you this product with super amazing packaging. Like it has bubble wrap also. So I'll open it. Yeah, so this is shell neck piece, you can say shell neck piece. So I really found it very amazing. This will give you kinda boho look. You can carry it with your traditional attires and with your western attires. Just see this. not with this, it will not go with this. I'm just telling you. So I found it very like amazing, very different, so I ordered this. It was quite costly, but I'm like shopping, bug. I'm like shopping bug, so I found it some different, so I ordered this. Yeah, its quality is amazing, it's nice. Mostly I use my product in my videos only instead of in real life. The picture I saw in Myntra, and this is our actual product. I found it very different, unique, and this will definitely go with your boho attires, your western attires. Yeah, if you will carry it with your western attire, then it will give you kinda boho look, but you can carry it with your traditional attires also, like something sari and ghagra, something you gonna carry, so it will give you. And this will also give you some like theme kind of look. If you remember Deepika's Ram Leela look, so maybe in that kind of theme it will go perfectly. So our next product is again from Modblae, and let's see what is inside this. So this was my first jewelry which I ordered from Myntra, and this was also super costly, but I found this very unique. Again, I found this very unique, so I ordered this. This is shell earrings, you can see, and it has some motis also, orange and pink color motis it has. So yeah, so it will give you kinda also some boho look, and with traditional attires also it will go. I thought it will go with some Navratri's attire, so I ordered, and that neck chain also. So you can pair both the things with same attire, and it will give you a complete look. Yeah, this one. And this is the picture which I saw in Myntra. Yes, here is your complete review of these earrings. Amazing, na? It is. See, yeah, its size is little bigger, so like a lot of people doesn't like really that much big size, but I'm a big fan of big size jewelry, so I love it. Amazing. So our next product is from Voila. This is also a earring. You can see its packaging. Yeah, so Modblae sent products inside bubble wrap. Instead of this, Voila sent with this foam we can say. Foam, so it has foam also and this bubble wrap also. So you can see these earrings. This is silver jewelry, and this was also quite costly, I found, but I liked it. See, it has written some yogini on the top, and this will give you kinda traditional looks also with boho look, but it will give you kinda traditional looks since this is silver jewelry, and it will give you quite pretty look with your suit, sari also, but it will give you kinda with suit it will be perfect. So this is your actual product, and this is the picture what I saw in Myntra. So you can see the difference. So yes, this was about this. So our next product is again from Voila, and this is also a earring. This is also a earring. So this is also silver jewelry, like silver earring, and oxidized you can say. So this is something like ear cuffs are really going in trend now these days very much. So these are like your earring on and your ear cuffs. So from bottom you will wear, from this it has this. So from bottom you will wear this, and at the top side it has this support. So this is something kind of earrings as well as ear cuffs. You can see So yeah, this is super amazing. Again, it will go with that some Deepika's Ramleela's look. So with the theme look, it will definitely go, and it will give you quite boho look. So yeah, you can carry at that time this one. So this is the picture what I saw in Myntra, and this is your actual product. You can actually see the difference. So our next product is again from Haute, and this is again a neck piece, and yeah, this will also give you kind of boho look. It will definitely go with your western and as well as traditional attire, and you can carry this look in your some theme look like Navratri and all. It is some, yeah, you can see how beautiful this is looking. Just see this, so beautiful, na? It will definitely give you boho look and some traditional looks like this. So this is the picture what I saw in Myntra, and here is your actual product. You can see this. So that was all about this har. This kind of jewelry is quite some costly only, so I was liking it very much, so I purchased it. Actually, I purchased two of the like neck piece like this, but one was like first the one which I ordered only intentionally. This one I found it super different, super amazing. Like it will go with every attire if that has some multicolors and all. It will more go in a little general way instead of specific patterns or specific attires. But yeah, but the another one which I ordered this was intentionally, which I wanted to pair with my one kurti. So that maybe that pattern was in itself amazing, and the kurti was also in itself amazing. But with together, these both were not looking quite good. So I returned that and I wear that kurti in simple way only. Golden jewelry I can carry with that, but yes, so I kept this and that one I returned because there was no use to keep that, so I returned it. See, so our next product is from this Street 9. My first experience only was very bad, so later whatever product I am seeing on Myntra from the Street 9, I am not gonna purchase. Like I am liking them, but I have feared that if what happen if I will get again the broken product. Yes, I got this product broken, so I fixed myself this one. Yeah, so I got inside this box and again this potli. So yes, this is I really found very beautiful. See, and what is the mention here? Return policy void if tag is broken. And I received broken tag only with this, and this like this piece also was broken from here. One piece was broken, so I fixed from myself that it was fixable, so I fixed it. That's not an issue. But what if I cannot fix it? Then I should return this. But how can I return? If they are sending damaged product and they are sending it with already broken seal, how can I return that? Like this is something like cheating. You can see this. So this was the actual picture what I saw in Myntra, and this is your actual product. You can actually compare. So our last two products from Globus. So I didn't got any box for these. Potli kind of thing they send inside bubble wrap. So I thrown that, and yeah, you can see this is super funky. You can carry with your western attires. Like now these days like funky jewelry is in very trend. So this is very amazing, and it has 3 colors. So with any of these colors dress, you can carry this, and it will quite look amazing. This also I think I can carry. It will give kinda quite cool look. But since I already have matching earrings, why will I matching this one with this? Yeah, so let's check our another. Yeah, before that, this was the picture I saw in Myntra. This is your actual product. You can compare. And the next one I really found very amazing. Like I was really looking for some golden jewelry, so I found this very beautiful, which I can carry with my any of the outfit, because it's a golden hoops we can say, or stud. Yeah, it's a golden stud, so I can carry with some traditional attires, with some western attires, and it will completely go with each and every attire. So yeah, see, not each and every, like some funky kind of dresses you should carry some funky jewelry only, but to get some classy bold looks, some hot looks, it will really go. So I purchased this. You can see the picture I saw in Myntra, and this is your actual product. It's amazing. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I have shared my whole experience with Myntra in case of jewelry. So hope you enjoyed the video. Like in case of certain brands like Voila, Montblanc, Globus, Street 9, I have given you the idea. Actual product you can see in Myntra, and what you receive, the whole experience I have shared with you guys. So hope you enjoyed that, and ज़्यादा lectures नहीं दूंगी. I always try to precise my points, because मैं खुद ही बोर हो जाती हूँ बेकार के lecture से. मैं क्यों अपनी वीडियो को फालतू का बढ़ाऊँ ताकि आप भी बोर हो जाएं. I always try to make my video more precise and more accurate, and only valid points, not any like ये भी भर दो, वो भी भर दो, वो भी भर दो वीडियो को बड़ा करने के लिए. That's not good. So before ending our video, where are you going? वीडियो को thumbs up दीजिए if you really like. Comment your suggestions, share this video, and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. So I'll again come with another hauls, tutorials, styling videos. And I know I'm not much active since last 1 month. I have not uploaded many videos. Only one video I uploaded in last 20 days something. So I'll try to be like more active on YouTube, because of some work I was not much active actually. These last 1 month was really very hectic for me. So मुझे खाने पीने का भी टाइम नहीं मिलता था. मैं बहुत मुश्किल से अपना टाइम मैनेज कर रही हूँ. So yeah, from next time I'll try to be more active, and I'll definitely I'll definitely be more active, and I will continue with the timing. I upload 1 video in a week, so I'll stick on that. I'll definitely upload 1 video in a week. So till then, bye bye. Subscribe my channel. You will definitely get next videos.